Hi!
Welcome back to the Science Lab.
Mrs. Reinfelder, I have a question for you.
What?
What exactly is science?
Oh, well, I'm glad you asked that because that's what our class is all about. So, science is the systematic study of our world through observation and experiment.
Wow, that's a lot of big words.
Yeah, it is, but it's really simple if you break it down. Systematic just means there's a step-by-step process, like when we follow a recipe.
Oh,
Yeah.
like instructions.
Yeah, you've cooked before, right?
Sure.
And observation is just a really fancy word for watching.
Oh, I do that all the time.
Yeah, like
Watch
when you
animals.
sit in an airport and you're like, oh, look at how many people are wearing tennis shoes or sandals or whatever.
Okay, observation is easy.
And experiment is when you decide to get some stuff together and try to make something happen so that you can watch it over and over again. Does that make sense?
That makes a lot more sense.
Yeah. In order for scientists to be able to repeat each other's experiment to see if they get the same result, scientists from all over the world have agreed upon a set recipe for doing science. It's called the scientific method. And the scientific method has very specific steps. Step 1 is asking a question. So I might wonder how far Mr. Kyle can run in 10 seconds.
So far!
Once we have a question, then we make a hypothesis. Hypothesis is just a really fancy word for I'm gonna guess. So if my question is how far can Mr. Kyle run in 10 seconds, my hypothesis or my guess is I think he can run 100 yards. Once we've made a hypothesis, we need to get our stuff together. I'm gonna need one Mr. Kyle, one measuring tape, and a timer. These are my materials. Once I have my materials, I'm going to write step-by-step directions. Like we went outside. Mr. Kyle starts with his feet on a line. I'm gonna time him with my timer. At 10 seconds, I'll tell him to stop. All right, I've got my timer. Run, Mr. Kyle, run!
And then we measure how far and when. And that's our data. And our observations.
Our analysis is just reporting what the data was, or the number that we measured. What did we measure, Mr. Kyle?
Fast!
No, it has to be an actual number.
Oh.
We measured it. How many yards did you go?
100.
100 yards. The last part is the conclusion, and that's when we revisit our hypothesis or our scientific guess. My hypothesis was that Mr. Kyle would run 100 yards in 10 seconds. And that is what our data, or the things we measured, ended up saying. So my hypothesis was correct. Mr. Kyle, is it important to always be right in science?
No, you don't have to always be right. Sometimes it's better for learning if you're wrong at the beginning.
Yeah, actually, scientists are wrong all the time. Do we cry?
Sometimes, but not often.
We don't cry, Mr. Kyle. When your hypothesis is wrong, you actually learn something. So you win either way.
Today's mission, should you choose to accept it, is to find science around your own homes.
Let's go find some examples to show them.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna plant some seeds. I wonder if my cantaloupe or my carrots are gonna come up first.
I'm gonna drop this red ball and this yellow ball at the same time. I wonder which one will hit first.
I wonder why the water level is higher when I'm in the pool rather than out of the pool.
I wonder which food the tortoises like better, carrots or apples. Come and get it, guys! Maybe just a shot of that.
We made a new lid for the rat cage. I wonder how long it takes him to chew through this one. What do you think, James?
Science is a lot of fun and can be found all around you.
Yeah, even in your house. So we want you guys to walk around your house and come up with a few scientific questions. Extra bonuses for photos or a little video. We'll see you next week, guys.